So, hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing Roblox. It said like this. Okay, so that is I'm gonna play. Okay, so I'm gonna put the guys there. There we go. And then I have a lot of the boo blind blocks. Look. You will see, okay? I have a lot of. Okay, so. Okay, here. Wow, I'm so chill. Can I get into here? Can I get? What is that? Goodbye. As a baba. Hey, what you gonna know? It says over here, Zalavovo. What's that? Zalavovo. Just kidding. How about over here? My face. Woo! Is that Lafu? That's a Lafufu. This one's 2. This one is 2. This one. Wow, there's a diamond inside. I like this game. Just gonna trade. It's look like you have to it's like check and plus and X. Free reward the bobo now. Free reward. Ha? Kalam la bobo now. Rusty. Yep. This is my. Okay, so I think I'm gonna